Oh no. Is it already 7:30? I only slept for 1 hour. Grammar rules, vocabulary lists. Where is my pen? I crammed all night, but I remember nothing.
10 flashcards every morning keeps the memory strong. I feel completely ready for the exam today.
2 minutes left. Don't lock the door. My legs are tired, my brain is empty. Good morning, Leo. You look like a zombie.
I studied for 8 straight hours last night.
Cramming never works. Did you even sleep?
Only 1 hour. Take a deep breath. Focus on what you know.
My head is spinning already.
You can do this. Stay calm.
Question 1. Wait, did we learn this?
Yes, Leo. It was on page 20.
I am so sleepy. Why does this sentence look completely blurry?
Check the subject and verb agreement first.
Subject, verb. My brain feels blank. Stay awake, Leo. Just 10 more questions. Must. Keep my eyes open.
Oh no. Leo fell asleep completely. His energy is totally drained. Leo, wake up! 5 minutes left.
What?
5 minutes?
Hurry, check your answers.
Option A or option C? I have no idea. I only finished half of the test.
Pencils down. Time is up.
That was an absolute disaster.
How many questions did you miss?
At least 20.
Cramming all night was a terrible mistake.
Do not worry. I will teach you how to study smart.
Please help me change my routine.
Tell me, Leo, how do you usually study?
I wait until the final night and study 10 hours.
That explains why your brain collapsed today.
If you cram once, your brain forgets 80%.
80% in just one day?
Yes, but we can fix that easily. Review for 20 minutes every single day.
Only 20 minutes? That sounds so easy.
Consistency beats cramming every single time. Study for 25 minutes, then rest for 5.
No phone? No social media?
0 distractions. Total focus.
7 in the morning, 15 vocabulary words.
Excellent.
And
8 in the evening?
10 minutes of grammar practice.
What does procrastinate mean?
To delay something until later.
Perfect. You nailed it.
I am ready for the retake exam next week.
Study smart every day, and you will succeed.
No more all-nighters for me.
6:30 in the morning, and I feel completely awake. Just 20 minutes of vocabulary before breakfast.
Arriving 15 minutes early feels amazing. My mind is clear and ready for the test.
Look at you. No coffee cans, no dark circles.
I followed our 25-minute study plan.
Let's crush this retake exam together.
Question 1. Simple present tense. Easy. I remember every single word on this page.
Finished, with 10 whole minutes to spare.
Double check your spelling, just in case.
Already checked twice. Everything looks solid.
Maya, look, I got an A-.
I knew you could do it. Hard work paid off.
This is my best score ever. Now I understand. Study smart every day.
Next challenge, staying focused in every lecture.
Challenge accepted. Let's do this.
Let's sit in the front row for better focus.
Great idea. I want to hear
Every word today. Prepare your pen and notebook.
The professor is explaining formal email structures.
Subject line, greeting, main point, got it.
Write down the key phrases quickly.
Wait, my phone just vibrated. Just a quick look won't hurt, right?
A new funny video? Just 30 seconds. Oh, this is hilarious. I wonder what I should eat for lunch today. Pizza? Or maybe noodles with soup?
Leo, pay attention. This formula is important. Huh?
What? I was just thinking.
Look at the screen right now. Wait, the slide just changed.
You missed the entire explanation, Leo.
Oh no, what did the professor just say?
Leo, the professor is calling your name.
Me? Right now in front of everyone?
Yes. Stand up and answer the question.
Quething the question about formal emails, could you please repeat the question?
A formal email opens with, "Dear Mr. Smith," and state purpose.
Thank you so much, Maya.
Always keep notes, Leo.
Daydreaming and scrolling my phone cost me everything. I need to fix this habit immediately.
Phone is officially switched off and zipped away.
Step 1 complete. No more distractions.
Teach me how you take such perfect notes. Divide your page. Keywords left, details right.
Keywords on the left? That makes total sense.
And write a one-sentence summary at the bottom. From this second on, total active listening.
Let's capture every single point.
I am completely locked in.
Left is for keywords. Right is for main notes.
And the bottom box is for the summary?
Exactly. Just one clear sentence.
Do not write every word. Capture the core idea. Keyword, clear subject line.
Use simple bullet points and short symbols.
Like an arrow for leads to?
Perfect. It saves time and stays tidy.
Look, a practice question on the screen.
Check your Cornell notes. What is the rule?
Be polite, direct, and concise. Summary. Professional emails require clear structure and purpose. Brilliant. You captured the whole lecture in one line. It feels so much clearer now.
Highlight only keywords, never whole paragraphs.
Yellow for main terms, green for examples.
You are a master note taker now.
My first perfect Cornell notes page.
Now you are ready for any classroom question.
Bring on the discussion activity.
Who wants to solve this client case first?
I know the answer. Let me try.
Go for it, Leo. You got this.
Thank you, Professor. Here is my solution. First, we begin with a polite opening greeting.
State the main purpose clearly in paragraph 1. Then, add a polite call to action at the end.
For example, please let me know if Friday works for you.
Flawless sentence, Leo.
Direct, polite, and effective.
The professor said, excellent active learning.
I cannot believe how well that went.
Focus in class really pays off.
Zero daydreaming, full understanding.
And zero phone distractions the whole morning.
Best lecture of my life.
The final market project groups are posted.
We are with Kevin? He always procrastinates.
We will help him stay on track too.
Hey, team. Sorry I am 2 minutes late.
Welcome, Kevin. We just sat down.
Great to have you on our team.
Our topic is sustainable coffee market analysis.
We need data, charts, and customer interviews.
Sounds interesting, but looks like a lot of work.
We have 2 weeks. Let's finish week 1 early.
Starting early gives us time to practice speaking.
Early birds never suffer deadline panic. Come on, guys. We have 14 whole days. Why not relax today and start next Monday? Trust me, Kevin. Procrastination is a painful trap. 3 equal roles: data research, customer survey, and slide deck. I will take customer survey questions.
I can find the market data online.
First draft review this Thursday afternoon.
I will finish 5 survey questions by Wednesday.
Thursday? That feels very fast, but okay.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Do not procrastinate, team.
See you Thursday with my data.
10 customer survey questions completed on Tuesday.
Doing homework early gives us total peace of mind.
Let's check Kevin's data progress next.
Just one quick game level before I start the data. I have plenty of time until Thursday.
Maya asks, is the market chart ready? I will reply tonight, after dinner.
It is 11:30 at night already? Where do I even find coffee consumption statistics?
Survey is ready. Kevin, how is the market data?
I only found 2 charts last night.
Did you wait until midnight to start?
I am sorry, guys. I thought we could do it together today.
Teamwork means everyone pulls her own weight.
We are a team, Kevin. We win together. Teach me how to organize this data properly.
Yeah.
Let's break it into 3 small 25-minute blocks.
Divide and conquer. Let's do it.
Transparent goals keep our team strong and fair. Everyone owns their specific deliverables.
I am ready for my market research tasks.
Do not read everything at once. Pick 3 sources first.
3 verified sources? That sounds totally doable.
Search government reports and industry associations.
25 minutes of pure focus. Timer begins now.
Phones face down. No social media.
Let's work in total silence.
Look at this. Organic coffee sales grew 30%.
That is the exact statistical evidence we needed.
Incredible finding, Kevin. Our survey matches Kevin's market data perfectly.
Yeah.
Young customers prefer eco-friendly packaging.
I am adding this finding directly to slide 3.
Market data task 100% complete. Check mark added. No free riders in this group.
We are 2 days ahead of schedule. Draft is complete. Tomorrow we begin speaking rehearsal.
Doing work early feels 10 times better than cramming.
We are going to deliver a world-class presentation.
Our slides are loaded 2 days before deadline.
We have 48 hours just to practice speaking.
No rushing, no panic.
Early work is amazing. I will open. Welcome everyone. Today we present.
Then hand over to Kevin with, now to the data.
And I say,
Thank you, Leo.
Let us examine charts.
60% of buyers prefer recyclable coffee cups. Clear pronunciation and strong eye contact.
your voice sounds powerful and confident, Kevin.
Customer feedback shows 80% love organic flavor. Wow.
That connects directly to our revenue projection.
The narrative flow is completely seamless.
Judge question, what is your budget strategy?
Initial setup costs decrease after month 6.
Creating long-term sustainable profit.
Thank you both for keeping me accountable.
We are stronger together as a real team.
No more all-nighters, no more free riding.
Tomorrow is the grand graduation pitch.
We are fully prepared and united. Let's show everyone how we level up.
Microphones checked, slide deck ready to go.
Yeah.
My heart is beating fast, but I feel prepared.
We practiced every single word. We are ready.
The auditorium is packed with professors and judges.
Remember our rule, clear pace and friendly smiles. Let's make this presentation unforgettable. From midnight panics to total preparation.
From lazy procrastinating to true teamwork. You both grew into amazing leaders. Hands in, team.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Study smart, win together. Our names are called. Shoulders back, team. Let's walk out with confidence. Time to shine.
Position 1 locked. Big smiles, everyone. Yeah.
Connecting with the front row judges. Slide title looks crystal clear behind us. Good morning, respected judges and fellow students. We are thrilled to present our findings.
Let us begin our journey.
Today, sustainable coffee demand is rising rapidly. Consumers care about ethical sourcing. Now, let us examine real customer opinions.
We surveyed over 200 local coffee drinkers. 75% want eco-friendly packaging.
A massive opportunity for modern cafes.
Now, Kevin will share the financial data.
Yeah?
Thank you, Leo. Let us look at market growth.
The numbers show strong profit potential.
Production costs decreased 20% in year 2, leading to stable, long-term sustainability. A solid plan for eco-friendly business.
The head judge is nodding with a smile.
They love our structured methodology. Time to wrap up with our final summary.
In conclusion,
Adopt sustainable practices early.
Yeah.
Engage your customers with transparency and build long-term value for the community. Thank you for your time and attention.
we welcome any questions from the panel. Thank you for that excellent question on operational costs.
We anticipated this financial challenge.
I have the exact data breakdown ready.
Bulk buying reduces initial shipping costs by 15%, ensuring stable cash flow in Q3.
A proven strategy for sustainable growth.
We conducted in-person interviews at 5 local cafes, gathering honest, direct feedback from daily drinkers, giving our project authentic, real-world validity.
Our solution balances financial profit and environmental impact.
Creating value for both business and society. That is our sustainable commitment.
The judges said outstanding teamwork and defense.
We answered every single question correctly. Preparation made all the difference. A standing ovation from the whole auditorium.
We proved the power of studying smart.
Best feeling in the world. Next stop, graduation certificate ceremony.
We did it together as true partners.
Unstoppable team, forever.
We won first place with top honors.
All our consistent daily practice worked. We did it, team. Highest score.
Walk with pride, team. We earned every step.
I never thought I could achieve this. Hard work and real teamwork changed everything.
Thank you so much, Professor.
An official certificate of excellence in English.
Yeah.
A milestone I will treasure forever. Studying smart 20 minutes every day changed my life. Never cram at midnight when you can learn steadily.
Consistency is the true key to success.
A good team member pulls their weight every single day. No more procrastinating, no more free riding. We lift each other higher.
1, 2, 3. Study smart.
Graduation complete with flying colors.
English is no longer a fear, but a superpower.
Lifelong learning starts with good daily habits.
Together, we can conquer any challenge. 20 minutes every single day.
Study smart, achieve big dreams. You can master English too.